So here is how you can use the Thanexa to manage strategic priorities. One of the best ways we've found for doing that is by using tag boards. In this project, you have 2 tag boards. One presents the strategic priorities and one priorities by department. Each one has a few different tags in them. But in this case, they share the project tag, which means that we can see the same list of projects that would be worked on and prioritized in both of those boards. Let's dive in and have a look at one of them. In this view, where I will take a look at our projects and even add more and edit them, and then we're able to decide as a team which of these has priority. So a priority 1 will be the highest. We may want to do the website with the refreshed design and market share. Even within that, we can then adjust the relative priority between them. We may then decide that the partner hub might be a priority 3, the relationship building might be a priority 2, and the product lead growth might be a priority 4. Now everybody's on the same page. We know we've allocated all of our strategic priorities, projects, and we've allocated priorities to them. Not only that, but as we do it, as you can see here, that they actually change, which means that this change is visible throughout the system. Not just in a tag board, but in the stream and everywhere else. That's one of the many ways you can use this system to manage your strategic priorities in real life.